Most people think Nainital is always crowded, so they skip it. But wait, the real beauty is in the nearby places. Just 20 to 30 km away, you will find peaceful spots like Bhimtal, Sattal, Nogachiatal. Less crowd, more nature. If you want ever more peace, visit Mukteshwar Mahadev Mandir, Himalayan views and calm vibes. And the best part, stay in a homestay, homemade food, local experience, and pure nature feeling. So don't cancel your trip because of crowd. Go to Nainital, explore nearby places, and enjoy nature. Thank you.